I'm Dave Croxton, Sales Director for KV2 Audio, and here at Infocomm we have the whole range of speakers out on display. Just running through the range, we've got the ESD passive speakers here, ranging from a 6-inch two-way design with a 100 by 100 degree horn flare, 666 with also a 100 degree horn flare, 10 horn and a 12 horn over here. So the ESD are a complete passive range. They contain a special crossover network which also incorporates an analog delay line for perfect phase coherency, and the ESD range runs well with any of our ESP amplifiers. Also here we have the EX series, which are an active onboard amplifier system. We again start with a 6-inch in this range, which isn't on display, 666, 10-inch and a 12 horn. So the EX range all fully active in similar configurations to the passive range. And a new product that we're launching is the EX15. The EX15 is a 3-way speaker incorporating a 15-inch woofer, 6-inch mid-range speaker on an 80 by 60 degree horn flare, and a 100 degree HF 1-inch compression driver on a 100 degree horn there, mounted centrally in front of the 15. So this is a full range 3-way cabinet with an excellent response. Also, you can see we have the range of subwoofers from a single 15 to a double 12 and also a single 18. And all of those subwoofers are available either in a passive or active configuration. Okay, over here we have some of our larger systems being flown. This is the ESR 212. It's a full range cabinet with 212s handling the low bass response frequencies. Has a 6-inch mid-range on a special horn flare, which also incorporates a 1-inch compression driver. Again, this is a 90 by 40 degree cabinet, so quite a wide horizontal dispersion, but very narrow vertical for good projection to the back of the room. The big brother of that speaker is the ESR 215. And this one incorporates double 15 with an 8-inch mid-range and a 3-inch compression driver on a 110 degree horn. These ESR boxes are very popular in the theatre market, with some of the very big Broadway productions now taking the ESR 215 on board. So the ESRs, full range, actively driven 3-way speaker systems. The amplifier that drives these systems incorporates 3 independent amplifiers to drive each of the frequency bands, and all of the filtering, time alignment and everything is done within that amplifier box. Up here we have the flagship system. This is the VHD 2.0 with the VHD 1.0 downfill cabinet. This cabinet is capable of covering very, very large areas, big crowds. It incorporates 2 horn-loaded 12s, 2 8-inch mid-ranges, again horn-loaded with phase plugs, and a 3-inch compression driver on a quite shallow wide dispersion 90 degree horn. So in the ES1 we have a single 12 with an 8-inch mid-range and 3-inch compression driver, the same horn flare that we use in our ESR 215. So the VHD 2.0 system with downfill, as I said, capable of covering very, very large crowds and can be incorporated with any of our various VHD subwoofer configurations, which come in single 18s, double 15s and double 21s. This is the KV2 SL system, SL standing for slimline in that it is only 300 millimeters or less than 300 millimeters deep, but you know, puts out a lot of punch for its overall size and capability. We've got the SL system sitting on top of our double 21 subwoofer. This subwoofer produces extreme output driven by our VHD 3200 bass amplifier. Also driving that, the 3200 is the double 15 bass reflex SL 215, and then we also have here the quite magical top box, the SL 412. This is a three-way cabinet incorporating 4 12s, 2 12s each, diagonally opposed on the outside of the box, an 8-inch mid-range with a 3-inch compression driver. Again, the same horn flare that we incorporate in many of our other designs. That's the SL system with the VHD 221 subwoofer.